Good day. This video is about how to make a copy of and share a document. I have a document here, which as you can see has been used. It's been shared with me and I want to reuse it. So I'm going to make a copy. So I'll come up to this top corner where there's three dots, click More and click Make a Copy. Now, when you make a copy, it automatically gives it the name copy of. I'll just leave it at that at the moment for purposes of finding it more easily. Now that I've created this document, I actually own the document. The original document is in my Shared with Me folder, and the copy is now in my drive. Now there's lots of reasons why I want to make a copy of something. I might have a form I need to reuse. I may have a template which I'm getting from other schools and we all need to make our own copy. In this case, I've got a form I've used in the past for one group. I'm now going to use it again. I need to get rid of the responses. I want to own it personally, so I've made a copy. Now to send it, that's pretty normal. I just click the send form, and these ones up here are how I send it for people to fill it in. I can either copy and paste this link, I can put in their email addresses directly. If they open that link, they will get this screen here. This is what the form looks like to be filled out. As you can see here, I click this, I can't edit it. If I go back to the edited version, I can click here and I can actually change the name of this if I wanted to. If I need somebody to cooperate with me on it, I come down here to add collaborators. At the moment, only I'm the owner. I'm the only person who can edit it. But just say I want to send it to my supervisor to work on it, I could type in their name, I could send it to them, and then they would have the same access that I would. So that's how you make a copy of a form, that's how you share a form, and that's also how you find it in your Google Drive. Thank you very much.